Hi guys. Okay, so I'd love to talk to you about one of our most exciting feature. It's still in its very early stages, alpha version. That's why we call it experimental. But it's great for you to see it right now and how it works. And as we add more functionalities into it, you'll be the first in line. So typically, we know that we have more talent in our talent pool than even the jobs that are coming in. And we've decided to kind of like diversify our options, right? By giving you the talent, the ability to see jobs outside of ProDevs, from reliable sources where you can still apply for and expand your chances. Hence the reason why we built the ProDevsAI tool, to give you the needed tools required, right, to succeed and apply for these roles. So we've created a job search automation. What this job search automation does for you is it helps you simply create a pipeline for your jobs. So you can typically come in, tell ProDevs the kind of jobs you want ProDevs to go look out for you, and ProDevs will then go out there and then look out for those jobs for you and then show you in a curated list. So every day we have crawlers crawling the internet on various job boards that we're integrating on a daily basis, and then filtering out the jobs based on whatever pipelines you've configured. So I'm going to show you how this works. Right now we have the alpha version. We understand that there are a couple of glitches here and there, but we're still improving. It's also be great for you to drop feedbacks for us. We created some feedback links, so that it can also help us improve further. So I'm going to click on this right now, job search automation. Right now I can create what we call a pipeline, right? And you can also tell us jobs you want us to crawl by using this link. So I can say, oh, I'm looking for software engineering jobs, or software engineer, right? I'll just say title software engineer. The skill set I'm looking out for is Node.js, Laravel, let's say Golang or Django, right? Let me use Django, right? I'm also looking for remote roles, and I'm looking for roles in Canada, in the US, and also in maybe let me consider Nigeria, and I click on create pipeline. Right now, what this would then do is, if I say software engineering jobs, and I've created Django, Node.js, and Laravel, if I click on view, it would automatically, based on the jobs that we've crawled so far, to start showing me jobs, within those cities, right, and jobs that are closest to, what I'm looking out for, right. So it shows me, this is a job in San Francisco, 3+ years experience. Let me see. Let me click on view. When I click on view, it takes me to the job board, and I can see that, second is a founding engineer. They're looking for, an engineer, and I can decide to then apply from here, right? So it shows me other jobs that I can, I might be interested in. This one is in Toronto. Look, oh, it appears that this job's no longer available. Click on view, call exchange. This one is still available. And I can then apply for those roles. So right, so and I can obviously then filter and say, oh, okay, this looks interesting. Let me click on this, and I can then apply for those jobs. And this is in New York, right? So the goal of this is we're going to keep on curating lots and lots of jobs, integrating into more and more job boards, and bringing these opportunities your way, so that way you can then apply for these jobs yourself, right? The next stage of this is we'll now do like an auto applying, but at the moment the focus is on curating and also perfecting the filters. So let us know what you think about these features. Like I said, this is experimental phase. We're happy to take feedbacks. You can drop feedback on the feedback channel on Slack. Also speak to the community managers on the feedbacks or areas you think we can improve upon. I'll be happy to develop those things inside here. Thank you.